Webster Bank offers personal and business credit cards designed to meet different financial needs, whether it's earning rewards on everyday spending, enjoying low introductory rates, or managing business expenses. The application process usually starts online, and eligibility is based on factors like your creditworthiness and income. Here are the steps to apply for a Webster Bank credit card in the USA. Step 1. Research and select a Webster Bank credit card. Visit the official Webster Bank website and navigate to their credit card section, both personal and business if applicable. Review the different credit card options available, paying attention to their rewards programs, cashback, points, annual fees, interest rates, APRs, introductory offers, and other benefits. Consider your spending habits and financial goals to determine which card best aligns with your needs. Webster Bank offers cards with varied reward structures, e.g., bonus points on dining, groceries, travel, and some with introductory April periods. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. While specific eligibility criteria aren't always explicitly detailed online, generally, you'll need a good to excellent credit score to be approved for most rewards-based credit cards. You will also need to be a US resident with a valid US address and a Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. For business credit cards, you'll likely need to provide information about your business. Note: some sources indicate that you might need to be a Webster Bank client with an online banking account to apply online. If you're not a client, visiting a banking center might be the necessary first step. Step 3. Gather your necessary information. Collect the required personal and financial information, which typically includes full legal name, date of birth, Social Security number, SSN, or ITIN, current US residential address and previous address if applicable, phone number, email address, employment information, employer name, address, gross annual income, monthly housing payment, rent or mortgage. Step 4. Complete the online application if you are a Webster Bank online banking client. If you are a Webster Bank client with online banking, log into your account. Look for a section like Services or Apply for a credit card. Select the credit card you wish to apply for and follow the online application prompts, filling in all the required fields with the information you gathered. Step 5. Visit a Webster Bank banking center if you are not an existing client or prefer in-person application. If you are not a Webster Bank client or prefer to apply in person, visit a local Webster Bank branch. Speak with a bank representative who can guide you through the application process and provide any necessary forms. You'll likely need to bring the information gathered in Step 3 with you. Step 6. Review your application. Before submitting your online application or handing in a paper application, carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy and completeness. Errors or missing information can delay the process. Step 7. Submit your application. For online applications, click the Submit button. For in-person applications, hand the completed form to the bank representative. Step 8. Await the decision. Webster Bank or Elan Financial Services will review your application, which includes checking your credit history. You will typically receive a decision by mail or email. The processing time can vary. Important considerations. Since Webster Bank partners with Elan Financial Services for their credit cards, the application portal and communications might come from Elan. Being an existing Webster Bank customer might streamline the application process. If you are unsure about the application process or eligibility, contacting a Webster Bank representative directly is always a good idea.